So, when did you get the tenement on wheels?
Oh, that's an RV. Yeah, I borrowed it off a buddy of mine. He took my house, I took the RV.
I mean, why wouldn't you make that deal? One of the largest RV shows in the world opens in Elkhart, Indiana this week. It is not open to the public, but we are getting a first-hand look. We are joined by National Transportation and RV expert Mike Caudill. Mike, thanks for doing this.
Natalie, what a great way to open this segment with
it's
that
the
right there.
Only way.
Like laughing.
Yeah. Okay, so here we go. How much have RVs changed since Cousin Eddie rolled on up to the Griswolds in Chicago?
Well, you ready for this? There's a lot of great news happening here. I've been 5 days now in Elkhart, just a few hours east of you guys in Chicago, and there's a lot of news. Thousands of RVs here, everybody coming together to show off their latest new trends in tech. And I'll start with this right off the top. Big news on Monday, world debut from Thor Industries and a company out of Southern California called Harbinger. This is the world's first battery electric hybrid RV with 500 miles of range, 150 miles of electric technology. And a cool thing is performance 0 to 60 in 6 seconds with 440 horsepower. They say it's going to go into production next year. Winnebago showing off this all-new app called Winnebago Connect. What's really cool about this is you can control your RV anywhere in the world. So climate control on the inside to make sure your pup is cooled down. You can look at your batteries, your water, your tanks. You can monitor it all. And like I said, anywhere in the world, you're going to see that come to RVs from Winnebago here in the near future. Now, affordability, Natalie, this is the big discussion here. We're thinking about interest rates and inflation. Well, the point drop last week is going to spur continued interest in RVs. I was on the search for the most affordable one. This is called the Jayco J-Flight SLX Sleep 6. Has bunk beds inside, has a full kitchen and bathroom. You're looking at a price of $15,000. Ember showing off their all-new E-Series. It's called the Spark, meaning spark your interest in getting outdoors. Everyone loves to be outside. This one has a big hatch that opens up on the side. You can see it right there. It has a workstation on the inside. It converts to bikes, hang a hammock, all with that side opening up. And, of course, theater seating and a nice big queen-size bed for you to take advantage of. $39,000 on that one. But here's a new trend. Destination-style RVs are growing in interest. They're pretty big, 40-plus feet in length for all three that I'll show you. The first one is the Forest River Cedar Creek. This is 40-plus feet. Look at this cool exterior design. That's painted fiberglass with that cool grain look on the outside. Residential appliances on the inside. It's really meant for those that want to extend their stay at a campground, or even if you own a big piece of land. Sofa sleeper right there, 2 lofts on the inside. And they're great for families to bring their grandkids along. Alliance with the new Benchmark. What I love the most about this cool RV is that the engineers said, hey, let's design this in a way where you can put a patio or deck on the outside like you see right here. And again, big living space on the inside. And then the Crossroads Hampton, look at the exterior design, this big bay window up on front. You'll see it inside as well. Tons of storage. And again, the concept of spending more time in the campground, because what we learned from COVID is that people want to get away. There's that big bay window. And then with this, a big master suite. And you'll love this. Washer, dryer setup with a specific area dedicated to it. I know for me, out there in the outdoors, you're always wanting to wash your clothes, and that's a great feature. So I want to close it out with this. The party patio, Natalie. I can see us hanging out on the back of this Forest River Salem 32 veranda. It has a griddle top built into the exterior of this. I love the design. Get your chairs out there. Enjoy the football game or tailgating. But there's your griddle top right there. It's got integrated misters for the heat of summer. And again, all of these RVs, I found the most affordable ones sitting at that $15,000 range. The destination RVs start at $100,000 and make their way up from there. So many cool things. I wanted to share one last one for you.
We don't have any time, Mike. We are out of time.
Yeah.
We are out of time. I had all these questions for you, but here's the thing. I really cool. If you were to buy one of those, what I consider tiny houses, how much is that? Is it worth selling my house in the suburbs? That's the last question. Answer it quickly.
You're looking at $100,000 for one of them. And they're packed.
All
They
right.
have everything you want inside of them.
Okay, that's it. I'm moving into a house on wheels there. Thanks so much, Mike. We appreciate it.